Hi everybody and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you a small gadget that I bought last summer and saved my arse the first day I brought with me. This is the Sonnect sound wallet. Just in case you didn't know it, this is basically a signal tester for cables and gear. It brings a signal generator, a phantom power tester, a XLR cable tester, and an input and output jack port for checking DI boxes or instrument pedals, for example. It comes with this good quality pouch with a magnet here and with the jack adapter. It has internal battery, so we have to charge it with this USB-C port. It's built like a tank, so we won't have problems if it falls down or if you stomp it. Let's try the different functions with my Behringer SD8 connected to my Wing console. Let's connect the sound wallet to my SD8. We can see the signal generator, big noise, and now 1K. Pink noise, yellow LED, 1K flashing LED. If we press the 2 button, we send the signal to the internal speaker and to the output jack. And here we have the level, -10, -40, you can see that's really low, and -20. This way we can check cables, we can check the input of a mixer and also powered speakers. If we switch on the phantom power, we can see these two blinking LEDs. They show us that the phantom power works correctly. These LEDs matches the pin 2 and 3 of the connector, so if one or both LEDs are off, we know where is the problem. Let's try now the jack output. We have to press the 2 button and we have sound in the speaker and also in the mixer. Nice. The speaker will be disconnected if we plug in headphones. This is so useful to check DI boxes or instrument pedal lines. Now let's check the output. I'm going to connect a cable in order to show it better. let's send some audio. Here you have the signal. With these LEDs, we can check if we have signal with the green LED, and if we have more than 10 dBus with the red LED. Last but not least, this is also a cable tester. We have both connectors plugged, and then we have to press this sell button for 2 seconds, and now we have a cable tester. We can check if the cables are okay and if the order is correct. As you can see, it's a very useful gadget. Since I received it, it lives in my backpack. Have you tried it? What do you think? Give me some comments below. See you in my next video. Bye!